Hello guys, welcome to Market Hours. In this video, let us look at the stock UPL Limited. So it has formed a triangle pattern. Recently, we have seen a very volatile market, and due to the war fear, markets are falling. So even though markets are falling, it has taken a very good support at this trend line. At the bottom trend line, it has taken a support on 20th February. So taking positions at this point of time is very risky, but if you want to take a position, you can consider the stock when this candle has formed, when this green candle has formed on 28th February. So our entry should be on the next day, that is on 2nd March, next trading day. 2nd March is our entry point at 665, and our stop loss should be below this trend line and below this green candle lower point. So our stop loss should be around 643, and the target should be, our stop loss percentage is 3.09. Our target should be at least 6%. But in these situations, aiming for 1:3, 1:4 is very risky. So let us take 1:2 ratio, risk reward ratio. So 6% has given on the next day itself. So this is a very good stock. I missed actually. So even though this bad situation, the stock is being bullish for last 3 days is very good. So if you want to enter at this point, I will not suggest to enter over here because the stop loss is very huge. So the stop loss should be below this trend line, which is 10%. So it is a very high stop loss. So I don't consider to take position over here, and I don't even recommend to take position. So if you want to enter here, you can enter with very little amount, and keep your stop loss below this candle. But this is not a proper entry because there is nothing to stop over here. So there is no trend line or there is no support line. So putting stop loss below this candle is not recommendable. So the next support is at you can consider this point, like because previously it has faced resistance over here at 675 range, and after breakout it has given very good returns, and also it has taken support at the same level on the 30th November. So we can consider this as a little support. So if you want to enter over here, you can put your stop loss here like on 677. Even though at this point the stop loss is very high. Stop loss is around 6%. Your target must be at least 1:1 or 1:2. So your target should be, if you consider 6% as stop loss, your target should be at least 12%. So your target is 803 and your entry is 715 and your stop loss is 673. So in particularly at this point of time, so we cannot expect market movement. So putting this much of stop loss is very risky. at this point of time, because our markets are very bearish from last 1 month. So entry at this stage is very good entry, because the stop loss is very low and the target is very huge. So on March 2nd, entry is a very good entry. So guys, I will look at stocks and I will find the stocks those formed this type of patterns like symmetrical, triangle or flags. So these patterns are very simple to draw and very it will give very good returns in very less time. So no need of bothering, no need of studying all the patterns or all the strategies. You just stick to one or two patterns, go through all the stocks and on a daily basis and find out the stocks formed these kind of patterns and put a alert, and so just take a proper entry and stick to your rules. It will give a very good return. So in this channel I will post daily 1 to 2 videos uh, on the stocks which have formed this triangle, symmetrical and flags. So do consider subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.